good people? Huge shout out to Hall Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 Hyundai Palisade. Today we're introducing the 2023 Hyundai Palisade. This particular model wrapped in a hyper white for the length 196 inches, height 68 inches. You have a wheelbase of 114 inches with a ground clearance of 7.9 inches. Right here we're looking at a 3.8 liter V6 engine powered by GDI, pushing out 291 for the torque, 262 at 3,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 27 city, 19. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with gray leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch cluster digital gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your vehicle info. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your compass, driving info, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your voice command, mode, Bluetooth and volume button. The buttons on the right side of the steering wheel are your adaptive cruise control, lane follow assist with your forward collision, and your plus and minus paddle shifters. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your interior dim, tow, traction control, and your trunk release with your electronic parking. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control, alongside your child safety lock. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your radio shortcuts. You have your dual climate control. You have your shift triangle button. This particular model is 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your drive mode with your auto hold alongside your axle lock. The buttons right here are your hill assist with your parking assist alongside your auto stop feature with your camera view. You have your heated seats. You have your cup holder area with your USB alongside your wireless charging pad. Inside of the center console you have your USB alongside your 12-volt outlet. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect and Blue Link. You have your glove box for extra storage space. You have two more USB under the center console. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with gray leather seats with captain seats. You have your climate control in the rear of the seat with your 12-volt outlet. In the clip as shown, I'm 5'11" with a decent amount of leg room. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your cup holder area with your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the third row of the vehicle. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 18 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 86.4 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 60-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to view the 2023 Hyundai Palisade. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.